Alright guys, got everything done. Got 2 tractors. Well, I got the 6 moved over there. The stack is actually low enough to where it'll fit underneath there. And then I got the 15 over there. This one here quit running, so I think she's run low on gas. So, but I started to monkey with this. I already got the one side, the outer side already broke off speed. I'm just doing this side, but I figured might as well do a quick video of breaking the bead on this side for you guys. I only paid $57 for this, so. And if you do a lot of tire changing, I'd recommend doing it. The only bad thing is you gotta bolt it to the floor. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I really don't have anything to really bolt this to the floor, so. But most of you guys got concrete floors and all that other stuff. I don't, so. But anyways, I gotta do mine a little bit differently than what you have to do if you had yours to the floor. Right? But even without it bolted to the floor, I still got it break off the bead. See how easy that was? It would have took me about an hour to do it the way I used to do it. I didn't think I'd be able to afford something like this. So, this part might take me a little bit to figure out. It's been quite a while since I've used one of these up here. I'd wait for that, or recently I should say, used to use the back of the black Ford there I had. I used to use the bumper jack and whatnot. Now this is the hard part. Trying to get this guy here lined up with this. There. Now, not quite sure how to use this bar here because I'm used to different bars. So, I'm going to have to use the instruction manual, which I rarely ever use. Okay. Alright. This is to do this. Yep. This is to get this down in here. But also, they say that you use this part here to tighten it up. There. But the thing I don't get, they say to use this part here to pop the tire off. But it's gonna be a little bit harder. I probably should have done this on the floor here. Yeah. Yeah. I might as well just use this on the floor. And when I get one side of it popped up, put it back up here. If I had the old truck, I'd just mount it in the back of the bed of it. But I don't have the old truck. So I have to figure something out. Definitely tell there's ice down in it, that's for sure. Yep, I did. Alright. Looks like, guys, it's going to be a learning battle for me because I'm used to doing it differently. See? Now, only if it was that easy, if it was mounted to the floor, I could have got it that way, but with it moving on me, I can't really get it to go. So, now, I should be able to get it to go as long as I get that little saw in the hole. Okay, there we go. Yes, I know I have this upside down, but it shouldn't matter. I gotta figure something out here. You want to take that back out to tighten it up. Yeah. Alright, so with that case, it's recording. Yep, it's recording. We're gonna do something a little bit differently. Quite the echo in here too. Howdy Humphrey. See what I mean, guys, about it moving? Like I said, if I had something to mount this on, it'd be so much easier. But I don't have anything. That, I got the brim upside down too, so. But, it's the only way I can really get it to, go on this side. acting up on me. Hack now. You guys are probably waiting for me to get whacked in the head by this. Oh, shit, crappy. So wish I had a concrete floor. Alright guys, my ears settled down here. And I think that's a wrap for right now. I'll figure it out later. I'll do some YouTubing. Shouldn't be this easy or this hard, but like I said, it's the first one I've ever had, so. But like I said, I got the brim upside down anyway. It's the only side I can really get down for it to grab onto, so I'll eventually figure it out. When I do, I'll make a new video. But for now, I'm gonna call it a wrap. Getting cold, getting hungry, getting tired. Yeah, it's late for crap last night, guys. I'd fall asleep and then an hour later I'd wake up and fall asleep, hour later wake up. So I don't know why, but it's just one of those days. So, but yeah. Anyways, if anybody's looking for a tire changer, these are on eBay. Like I said, I got mine for $57.99, free shipping. So they're delivered by FedEx. That's what it is. So if you interested in getting one, let me know. I'll send you a link to where I got it. And yeah. So hopefully you guys got concrete floors. Something better than me. So, but alright guys.